Hello YouTube. Today I am making a video on a very important topic that many people will probably have questions about, and it's when you're on Microsoft Paint, how do you make a square? If you watched my previous video on how to make the perfect circle, you may understand this issue and can apply the same logic, but to others who haven't, here it is. So as you see, when you try to create a square, the lines aren't very straight and it's uneven. Now maybe you could get a square, put it on your monitor and trace around it like you do with a pencil. Not so easy. So what's the solution here? Well, as you can see here, we have shapes. This one though is called the rectangle, which we don't want a rectangle, we want a square. How do you make a square when all you get is rectangles? Well, the trick is in these little numbers at the bottom of the screen. You want the two numbers to be the exact same number. So when you're drawing, look at your numbers, make sure they match. 308 and right there. The trick is to have small mouse movements. .320 by 320. There we go. Here we have a perfect square. Now what can you do with this perfect square, you may ask? Well, anything you want is a square. It's all about creativity. So thank you for watching the video, hope you subscribe and watch the next ones coming on in the future. Goodbye.